Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily make your iPad wallpaper totally your own. To customize the wallpaper on iPad, we'll head to Settings and click the Wallpaper option to access various features and settings that allow personalization of your home screen. Click on Wallpaper and a sub-window will appear with options. Here, we have the options for a customized lock screen and home screen, which can be tailored separately to suit your preferences, allowing for unique looks, so you can keep one and change the other, giving you flexibility in your design choices. We can change the color, add a gradient, or even use a personal photo, with options for black and white or blurred effects, giving you complete control over the design. So, in this way, we can customize our wallpaper as desired and also add new ones from this menu. If you want, you can use a photo from your gallery or an edited picture from Photoshop, with the option to have the gallery photos change periodically. We can also customize any wallpaper, including those from the emoji or weather app, to match our unique style and preferences. Customized your iPad wallpaper. Check the description for discounts. Like and subscribe!